Understanding the Restoration Period, a dive into history and literature. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time to explore the Restoration Period, a significant era in English history and literature. This period marks a time of change, innovation, and revival. So, let's dive in and discover what makes the Restoration Period an essential chapter for English language learners and history enthusiasts alike. The Restoration Period refers to the time in English history starting in 1660 when King Charles II was restored to the throne after a period of Republican rule under Oliver Cromwell. This era is significant for its political, cultural, and social changes. It ended in 1688 with the Glorious Revolution, which saw the overthrow of King James II in favor of William III and Mary II. The Restoration Period was a time of political transition and social evolution. After the tumultuous years of the Civil War and the Commonwealth, the return of the monarchy brought about a desire for stability and normalcy. This era saw significant changes in governance, including the strengthening of the monarchy and the parliament, as well as shifts in social customs and attitudes, reflecting a society in transformation. Literature and the arts flourished during the Restoration Period, reflecting the changes and attitudes of the time. Drama, poetry, and prose saw significant developments, with the reopening of theaters and the rise of famous playwrights like John Dryden and Aphra Behn. This period is renowned for its wit, satire, and a move towards more realistic portrayals of society in literature, marking a departure from the themes prevalent during the Elizabethan and Jacobean eras. Understanding the Restoration Period provides valuable insights into the development of modern British society and the English language. It was a time of renewal and change, impacting not just the political landscape but also leaving a lasting imprint on culture, literature, and the arts. For English language learners, studying this period offers a deeper appreciation of the historical context behind the evolution of the language and its literary traditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Restoration Period. We hope this video has illuminated this pivotal era's significance in English history and literature. The Restoration Period is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of society in the face of change. As always, we hope you found this exploration informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.